Hello, I'm in a 2009 Chevy Silverado, and today I'm going to show you how you'd add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then towards the passenger side here you should see your coolant reservoir. You don't want to work on the system while the vehicle's hot or it's on, so you want to turn it off and make sure it's cooled down first, just because this liquid can get to boil and it's like a poison. So you don't want a bunch of poisonous liquid to spray out all under you, especially since the system's under pressure. But you just unscrew this, and then either with a funnel or straight from your coolant jug, just fill as needed. And then make sure you're using the proper coolant. Typically you match the same color of what's in here. Double check you've got the best kind for your particular make and model. But you just fill as needed till you get around this maximum line. There is supposed to be some air gaps. You don't want to fill all the way to the top. When you're done, screw this back on nice and tight. And then I'd also double check around the lines through the radiator for any possible leaks. Way to test that is once this is on tight, turn the vehicle back on, and just as it's running under pressure, you might see some puddles start to form around the motor, the engine bay, if there are leaks, or under the radiator if there's a leak through the radiator. Hopefully there's not, but if there is, wait until that puddle that's forming of that versus like water condensation it should have a slight sweetness smell to it. It'd have a slight coloration to it, and you don't really want to feel it with your skin, just so you have a glove on. It'll feel slightly more slick than what water would feel like. But that's it. I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a great day.